Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix a zipper to your ball gown. First thing first, I'll be sewing my neckline, then I'll leave 1 inch which I kept for my zip allowance. So if your zip allowance is 2 inch, you have to stop at 2 inch, or if it's 1.5 you have to stop at 1.5, but my zip allowance is 1 inch, so I'll just sew my neckline, then I'll stop at 1 inch for my zip allowance. You can see after sewing it, you can see it is opened. I didn't sew my zipper allowance. So this is a already made ball gown which I made on my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel or check the link in the description below. So I'll be attaching the zip to this ball gown. I advise you use invisible zip. Invisible zip is better because it will give your ball gown a fine and better look than the normal zip. So it's better you use invisible zip for your projects. So first thing first, your ball gown, the layers of your ball gown, you need to align it on each other like this and sew it down on a straight stitch. You align it on each other, then sew it down on a straight stitch. So when you are sewing your zip, it won't be disturbing you while sewing. So you do the same thing for the other side. So align your vignettes or your layers on your fabric, then you stitch it down. And this is only to the first layer, to the main fabric of your clothes, not to your lining. So I'll go ahead and do it now. So I've gone ahead to just stitch on it straight down. Then I did the same thing for the other side also. I stitched on it straight down. So now I'm going to take the both sides, this side and this side also. I'm going to take it and I'm going to close it. This is for the main fabric only. You don't join it to the lining. It's for the main fabric. So I'll just open it to like 4 inch, then you close the side down. So I'll just go ahead to close. I'll leave from the waist, I'll leave 4 inch for my zipper allowance. Then I'm going to take this part to the end. I'll close it down. Then from this 4 inch upwards to my shoulder, I'll be attaching the zip. So I'll leave 4 inch down from the waist, then I'll close the side down. Then from this 4 inch to the shoulder or neckline part, I'll be attaching my zip. I've joined this side and I've left just 4 inch open. See the way it's looking at the back. So I'll go ahead and do this same thing. I'll go ahead to do it to the lining piece also. I'll join. This is the lining piece. I'll leave from the waist downwards. I'll leave 4 inch. Then I'll close the down part of the lining also. You can see I left the opening also there for it. So I haven't done that now. So we'll attach our zip to the main fabric. We'll attach our zip to the main fabric. This is the main fabric and this is the lining fabric inside. You can see that I left 1 inch from the zip for the zipper eye. So this is the main fabric, this is the lining piece. So we'll go ahead and attach the zip to the main fabric before we use the lining fabric to turn the zip. I'll go ahead to fix the zipper to the main fabric. I'm gonna ahead to fix zipper for the first part. So you can see how the zip is from outside. You can see how neat it is. So this part, this edge part, I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to close it like this. You know, this is the lining piece, so I'll close it. This is the lining piece. This is the main fabric. So I'm going to close this part. I'm going to close this part. Then I'll use the lining to turn the zipper, then close it. Then I'll also do the same thing for the other side. I'll use the lining to turn the zipper, and that's all. You're done with your zip for a ball gown. Let me do it and show you how it looks like. The other side, this is the main fabric, this is the lining. I'll just get to close it here, and I'll close it down. So you can see the video of the zip. This is the inside and this is the outside. You can see the way we turn the lining, like we use the inner part of the lining to turn the ball gown. So this is how to fix your zipper for your ball gown.